How's it going, everyone? If you're using both Trello and Slack and you want to make them work together, it's actually super easy to set up. So integrating the two can help you get notifications from Trello straight to Slack, create new cards from Slack messages, and generally keep your projects in sync without constantly switching apps. So to get started, simply head over to the Slack app directory. From there, you then have to search for Trello or go to the Trello Power App section and select Slack. So that's what we're going to be doing here. We're going to click on the Power button, then search for Slack. So once you found it, you then have to select it and connect your accounts by logging in and authorizing the integration. So once that's done, you can then choose which boards send updates to which Slack channels. And you can also create new cards directly from Slack messages. So it's a huge time saver if you're managing projects with your team. So everything you need shows up where you're already chatting, so nothing slips through the cracks. And that's it. So that's how to integrate Trello with Slack. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.